Welcome to another video of Feel Astro. This video analyzes the significance of the third lord's placement in its own sign. This is a highly auspicious planetary placement in Vedic astrology. When the lord of the third house sits in its own sign within the third house, it gains immense strength. It is happy and empowered to fully express the energies of this vital house. The third house governs crucial aspects of life. It represents communication, writing, inner skills, talents, ambitions, courage, and younger siblings. It also signifies startup businesses and short journeys. The third house is known as an Upachaya house. This means it signifies gradual growth and improvement over time. While initial years might present challenges, the inherent strength of this placement ensures steady progress and increasing auspiciousness throughout life. This placement creates a powerful link between the Dharma Trikon, as the third lord is first positioned from its own sign, and the Kama Trikon, which the third house itself. This connection fosters a blend of righteousness and spiritual inclination with strong ambition and the drive to achieve material goals through diligent effort. Vedic astrology classics, including the revered Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, highlight the positive outcomes of this combination. They describe natives with this placement as blessed with high riches, wealth, happiness, and comfort. This ancient wisdom confirms the inherent blessings. The strength comes from the third house's character being amplified by its own lord. It's a beautiful cosmic logic. When you invest effort in exploring and utilizing your unique talents, you are destined for greater success. This placement empowers you to do just that. Individuals with the third lord in the third house possess the courage to pursue their innovative ideas and visions. They can build businesses or careers from the ground up. Their ability to streamline efforts leads to tangible results and fulfilling achievements. This placement also positively influences the fifth house, which relates to children. It indicates intelligent and successful progeny. This adds another layer of blessing to the native's life journey. Interestingly, the third house is the eighth from the eighth house. This connection can bring unexpected fortune and wealth, often linked to hidden or unique skills. Embrace your mysterious talents. They hold potential for surprising rewards. Relationships with siblings are typically warm and cordial. There's a possibility the native is the younger sibling. These bonds can be a source of support and joy throughout life. The third house is naturally associated with the sign of Gemini, known for its intellectual curiosity. This placement fuels a strong desire to explore and expand intellectual skills. Self learning abilities are enhanced and grow over time. Many with this placement find success in communication, writing, publishing, or fields where these skills are paramount. Your voice and ideas have the power to make a significant impact. While natural malefics in Upachaya houses often yield positive results, benefics like Jupiter or Venus here can also bring wealth and reputation, perhaps with a slightly less aggressive drive. A benefic third lord in the third house can make one very astute in financial matters. The analytical skills are sharp, aiding in saving and managing money effectively. Consider the Capricorn ascendant, where Jupiter rules the third house. His placement here as the wealth Karaka is particularly potent. The mutual aspect between the third and ninth houses signifies divine support. Your sincere efforts and hard work are always seen and rewarded by the universe. Understanding the third lord in the third house is a powerful step in analyzing a horoscope. For students, it's a fundamental lesson in house and lord placements. For seekers, it highlights the spiritual significance of developing skills and courage. This placement is a cosmic encouragement to embrace your talents and communicate your truth. Check out our website for a full range of Vedic astrology resources, including tools, calculators, and reports. Don't forget to subscribe for more astrology videos and share this one with your friends who love astrology.